Today's challenge is called the Rolling Towel Flip Challenge. This challenge is great because it's going to work on our underhand throwing motion, which is going to help us in games like bowling. To play, you'll need a few pieces of equipment. You're going to need a larger towel, like a bath towel. You're going to need a smaller hand towel. And you're going to need a pair of socks. To set up my game, I'm going to first take my bath towel. I'm going to use my bath towel as my start line. So I'm going to fold this towel up so that it's a line. And I'm going to use this line to throw behind. So I'm going to place it here, and I would make all of my throws from behind this line. I'm then going to take my hand towel. My hand towel will be used as my target. I'm actually not going to fold this. I'm going to lay this flat because I'm going to be trying to roll my socks onto it. To position this, I'm going to start at my start line, and I'm going to take 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to place my hand towel down because I'm aiming for that towel. So that's my first position to aim to. I'm then going to use my socks, and I'm going to make my socks into a ball. I'm going to take the 2 openings of the socks, so opening and opening. I'm going to place them next to each other. I'm going to put 2 fingers into one of the socks, and then I'm going to roll the other pair over top of it. And I have a ball now that I can throw. Next, I'm going to show you how to play the game. To play the game, I'm going to start from behind my starting line, my bath towel, and I'm going to take an underhand throw. To take an underhand throw, I'm going to step with my opposite foot. So my sock ball is in my right hand. I'm going to step with my left foot. If I was throwing with my left hand, I'd be stepping with my right foot. I'm making sure to keep my body, my shoulders, my feet, everything pointing to my target. I'm using a tick-tock motion from a clock. I'm going back, and I'm coming forward, letting go of the ball and pointing at my target at the end. So anyway, the game starts. I'm behind my towel. I make my first throw. I try to make my ball land onto the hand towel and stay there. I've missed. I would simply come, pick it up, and try again. Again, I'm going to roll it. Again, I've missed. It's not touching on top of the towel, so I'm going to throw again. I managed to make it stay on my towel. If I do that, I'm going to pick up my socks. I'm going to take the towel from the 2 closest edges, and I'm just going to flip it over itself. So it's a little bit further away, and that would be 1 point. And then I'm going to come again, make another throw. Again, I'm touching on top of the towel. That would count as a 2nd point. Again, I move my socks. I pick up my towel from the 2 closest edges to me and flip my towel over. And then pick up my socks and throw again. I now have 2 points, and I keep going. I keep going for 1 minute. This is a 1-minute challenge. See how many times you can make this softball land on that target in 1 minute's time. I'm going to give it a try.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
I was able to land that last one. I think I did get 5 points, but I'm gonna have to go back and recount it. One thing I didn't mention is we may have some space restrictions. So if you get to the end of your wall and you have no more space to move the towel further, just keep it at the farthest distance and keep trying to get more points. However big your room is, that's how long your game can be. All right, good luck.